हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और आज की हमारी क्रिएटिव राइटिंग है समर सीजन पे। जी हाँ, समर सीजन चल रहा है एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हमें समर सीजन पे कोई ऐसे राइटिंग आ जाती है, पैराग्राफ राइटिंग आ जाती है, क्रिएटिव राइटिंग आ जाती है। तो हमें बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है कई बार बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ वोकैबुलरी। तो आज मैं आपको वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स के साथ साथ समर सीजन पे बहुत ही इजी और बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल पैराग्राफ दिखाऊंगी। सबसे पहले हम करते हैं वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स। वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स हैं डिफरेंट, अवेटेड, फेवरेट, रिलैक्स, enjoy, activities, visiting, resort, traveling, beach, castle, happiness, eagerly, refreshed, vacations, inevitable। सो ये है हमारे वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स। आप इन वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स को पैराग्राफ लिखने से पहले ही इसको नोट डाउन कीजिए और 3 to 4 टाइम्स आप इसको अगर रेगुलर रीडिंग करेंगे तो आपको वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स कभी भी नहीं भूलेंगे और आप इन वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स को अपने किसी भी दूसरे एसे में, किसी भी दूसरे पैराग्राफ में या क्रिएटिव राइटिंग में, अपनी स्पीकिंग में यूज कर सकते हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हम पैराग्राफ और द क्रिएटिव राइटिंग ऑन समर सीजन। Summer season. There are different seasons in a year: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. But among all these seasons, summer is the most awaited and favorite season for everyone. Summer is the time when everyone wants to enjoy and relax. There are various things to do in the summer season. People love going on vacations during summer season. They can do different activities like visiting picnic places, resorts, and many other things that they like. The weather is too good for traveling. People can also enjoy their time by sitting outside their homes. The summer season brings so much happiness to everyone. Everyone eagerly waits for summer to come. People can go outside and enjoy. People spend most of their day outside during summer, which makes them feel refreshed. The summer season is too good for students as they can enjoy long vacations in summer. They do not have to go to school and can enjoy their vacations. They can take part of different activities and that they like to do. Kids love the summer season as it is the time for playing outside. They can go to swimming pool, park, or any other place where they can enjoy playing. There are so many things for children to do during summer. They can also go on a trip with their family and friends. Seasons are reminders to us that change is inevitable. मतलब कि change जो है वो होगा ही, उसे आप बदल नहीं करते। सीजन के बाद सीजन चेंज होगा। India is of the few countries that experiences all 6 seasons in the year. They are summer, monsoon, autumn, pre-winter, winter, and spring. So I hope this video is very helpful for you, and if it is helpful for you, then please like, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my video.